Morning students, I am Ahmed, your subject teacher of English grammar. In the previous video, we learned the basics of phrase and sentence. Today, we shall discuss noun phrase and try to understand it. So let's begin. The definition says that a group of words that functions as a noun in the sentence is called a noun phrase. Here, as you might notice that I've underlined few words in the definition of noun phrase because these are the very crucial words to the definition of noun phrase. So let me explain you how. First part that is underlined is a group of words. So a group of words refer to phrase. I hope you remember the definition of phrase from my previous video. It says that a phrase is a group of words. Since noun phrase is basically a phrase in itself, so it is also a group of words. Next part is that it functions as a noun. Let me tell you that a noun functions several ways. It may be a subject, it may be an object, or it may be something else. So, regardless of that, it should function as a noun in the sentence. So, you have to remember these two things. No matter how I write your definition, that will be correct. Okay. With the help of few examples, we shall try to understand it better. Example number 1. It says children are playing games. Which are the noun words here? Number 1, children. Number 2, games. So it is very easy to find out. So this one is something different to this one. So let me show you how. Okay. The pre-nursery children are playing hide and seek game. As you can see clearly, the children and game, these two are the very common words to example number 1, but they are combined with other words to describe them, right? Okay, here the pre-nursery word suggests that children who are playing games are from pre-nursery classes, right? The same way the game, which kind of game are they playing? Hide and seek game. You are getting my point? So, I have to include all of it as part of children and game because they are describing words here. So that means when words are there to describe a noun in the sentence, you have to include that as part of that noun word. That means here the noun word is children, but other words are there to describe them. So I am going to include them all as part of the word children. The same way game word is there, but other words are there to describe them. That is hide and seek. So I cannot leave them out. I will have to include them because again they are describing the type of game. Which kind of game their children are playing? That is hide and seek. So now how is it different to this one? This was formed by a single word, that is children, right? So that's why that was a noun word, but in this case 3 words are there, right, that form a group. As you can see the definition of noun phrase, it says that it's a group of words. So that means these together form a group. So they are not a noun but a noun phrase. The same way hide and seek game, it's not a noun but a noun phrase because again these 4 words together form a group. I hope you understood. So let me go further. Roses are red. Only one noun word. No other words to describe them. But in number 4, roses in my garden are red. So which kind of roses I am talking about? I am talking about roses which are growing in my garden. I hope you are getting my point. I mean that again through the words in my garden, I am trying to pinpoint the location of roses. The roses in my garden are red. Again these are the describing words for roses. It shows the location of roses. So roses in my garden again is a noun phrase word. So that's very easy to understand is that if a noun word is there without any other word to describe them, like here pre-nursery, describing children, and hide and seek describing game. The same way in my garden describing the location of roses. So all of these are phrase, and since they refer to one noun word, that in my garden refers to roses. The same way the pre-nursery refers to children, hide and seek refers to game. You are getting my point? Since all of these words are referring to a noun word each, so they are all noun phrase. But here, as children, games and roses, only one words are there, no other describing words. So they are not capable of forming any group or phrase. Okay, there is a note at the end. It says that articles a and the are also included as part of the noun phrase. So let me show you. The sun has risen. Only one noun word combined with article the. Two words are there. So that is a noun phrase. Again, he is a boy. A boy. Boy is combined with the article a. Two words together forming a phrase. Right? So again, noun phrase. I hope you have understood something from today's video. So I'll see you in my next video. Until then, try to make practice as much as possible so you don't forget today's lesson.